In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow people on X, formerly Twitter, using two simple methods. Whether you want to clean up your following list, remove accounts you no longer want to see, or just keep your feed more relevant, this is a quick and easy process. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and log in to your X account. Once you're signed in, you can unfollow someone either from their profile directly or from your following list. Let's start with the first method. If you already know the person's username, use the search bar to find their profile. You can also click their name if you see one of their posts on your timeline. When their profile opens, look near the top right area of the page for the blue following button. This button shows that you are currently following that account. Click on following and a small menu or confirmation option will appear. From there, click unfollow to confirm that you want to stop following them. As soon as you do that, the button will change and you will no longer be following that account. Now let's look at the second method, which is helpful if you want to review several accounts at once. Open X and click your profile icon in the left-hand menu. Then click on following underneath your bio. This will open a full list of every account you currently follow. Scroll through the list until you find the person you want to remove. When you see their name, look for the blue following button beside it. Click that button and it will instantly switch, which means you've unfollowed them. In many cases, there is no extra confirmation pop-up, so the change happens right away. This method is especially useful if you are unfollowing multiple people and want to move through the list quickly. A few quick tips before you finish. If you accidentally unfollow someone, you can always go back to their profile and follow them again. If your following list is long, use the search feature on the profile page to find accounts faster. And if you're trying to make your feed more focused, consider unfollowing inactive or irrelevant accounts first. That can make a big difference in what you see every day on X. So just to recap, you can unfollow people on X either by visiting their profile and tapping following, then unfollow, or by opening your following list and clicking the button next to their name. Both methods are simple, fast, and easy to repeat whenever you need to clean up your account. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.